Welcome to Muck and Fun and smilesycoot. Two new scooter launches today. First one here is the brand new SXT1600 watt scooter. All these scooters, the seat comes off and the scooter folds. One touch of a button. XL means higher handlebars over the 1000 watt version. Bigger wheels and tyres. Disc brakes. Top speed 55 kilometers per hour. A range in eco mode of up to 30, and the lead acid battery is fantastic. Just one touch folding, disc brakes, beautiful. So the seat pops off, your battery's underneath, you can take it off. So that's your turbo mode button there, and your ignition key. €999, and the 1000 watt version is €675. So here we have that SXT 1600 watt scooter. First one's in Ireland arrived. There's another one just here. Side stand, beautiful suspension, beautiful engineering. And SXT offer a 2-year warranty. There's your LED lights, front and rear. So all on muckandfun.com and smilesycoot on Facebook. Details coming soon. Then in a little while, we're going to be doing the new big baby, the SXT3000 with a lithium battery. So we get to that one next. So there you go. You need any info, just let us know. Home delivery all Ireland, €35. Comes with fully charged phone, ready to use. Great for getting out in the fresh air. Get out from the couch and out and enjoying the scenery in the countryside, wherever you live. So there you go, all scooters arrived, built, tested, ready to go. Need any info? Let us know.